Hi, this is Robin Sampson McCarthy with BibleJournalClasses.com. In this video, I'll show you how to assemble the water folio cover. This folio was part of the Bible Symbolism Class, where we explored the meaning of water throughout Scripture while creating a beautiful interactive page. There is an assembly guide in the kit. The cover is a little bit tricky, so I wanted to go over it. Cut out all the pieces. There are three main pieces to the cover, the base and the two scallop pages. There's just a little scoring to do. You're going to score the little tab on the side. I've already put my score tape on here. And then you're going to fold the scallop part in half and try to match up the edges the best you can. Use a bone folder or the back of a knife to make a clean crease. Just press firmly along the fold line and run the tool from end to end. This makes the paper lay flat and gives it a nice crisp finish. After folding the scallop cover in half, you apply glue or double-sided tape to hold the two halves together. This will form a sturdy, strong cover. It should have been printed out in cardstock, and I'm using lightweight cardstock here. It helps to burnish the score tape with your bone folder after applying it. Just press and rub firmly, and this will ensure a strong bond and keeps the pieces from lifting over time. To lift the backing from the score tape, I like to use a sewing pin. It slips right under the edge and makes it easy to peel off without tearing the paper. Now is the time to ink the edges and cover any white spots. You also might need to trim a little bit to make sure that the other side doesn't show through. And remember, this is never going to be perfect. You didn't make this in a factory. This is all part of the process. We're all learning, and it takes practice. You have to make a few of these before you get anything exact, and you probably will never get it completely perfect. Now attach the tab to the base panel, the part with the verse. This will also serve as the back of the folio. Line it up the best you can. Try to get the bottom edges even. And there will be a little white space that's necessary. You need to be able to close it. If it bothers you, you could ink that area and try to match the color as best you can. It doesn't bother me at all to have a little crease there. So there's one half. Once this is finished, you can adhere the entire thing into your treasure journal in the center of a page. Or if you prefer, you can add a pocket to the back and simply slip it in to a pocket like an insert. It's nice to have that option. It gives you flexibility depending on how you want to use it in your journal. So there we are. And now the page is closed. And then I recommend using you can use the circles from the kit to create a simple string closure. There's a video I posted in the Facebook group to show you exactly how it works. It's easy and decorative way to finish off your folio. All for now. I'll see you in the Facebook group.